Today I'm going to show you how you can create custom bulletin board letters in Canva. So starting with a blank page, I'm going to go to Elements and type in letter frames. I also like to type in the letter that I'm going to start with so that I can choose a font. So now I'm going to press enter. I'm going to go to frames and press see all. Now I can see the different fonts for that letter. So I'm going to choose the first one. And I know this is a frame because it has the clouds, the sky, and the grass. I'm going to adjust it for the size I'm looking for. So I can use the corner to adjust it, or I can press position. And on the side, I can choose the height that I'm going to make all my letters. So in this case, I'm going to make them all 6 inches. Once I have my height chosen, I'm going to go and find a background that I can fill into that frame. So I'm going to go into Google and I'm just going to look for something that goes with my classroom theme. So here's boho rainbow background. I can see a bunch of backgrounds. I'm going to choose one of them, like this one over here, and I'm going to save it to my computer. So I'll save image as. I've already done this, so I'm going to skip that step. But you're going to save it to your documents. You're going to go back into Canva, and you're going to go over to uploads. This is where you can upload images from your computer. So I'm going to go upload files. I can choose the image that I saved, and I can open it. Once that is uploaded, I can drag it and drop it over my frame, and it will fill into the frame itself. You can click on it to see that it's in there, and then you can also double click on it to change the position of the image in the frame. You can crop it, you can rotate the image in the frame, and make it suitable for the way you like it. I'm going to press done. Now, as you can see, the letter doesn't really stand out, and I'm going to need to cut these out to put them onto the bulletin board. So I'm going to add an outline by clicking on the image, going up to the editing toolbar, and clicking on stroke style. I'm going to choose the solid weighted stroke, and I'm going to change this to size 18 because I have to remember that I have to cut out around these letters. And now I want to change the color of that from black to something more suitable. So I'm going to click on the image again, and I'm going to go up to the stroke color options. I'm going to choose a color from the style of the rainbow. And now it matches my image better. Once I'm done with the first letter, I can now look up another letter by going into Elements, changing this from letter frames C to letter frames A, and finding the style that matches the first font that I used. So I'm going to click on this one. Again, I have to size it so it's the same size as the first. So I'm going to change the position. I'm going to change the height to 6 inches. I'm going to make sure that it's fit on my page. This one I'm going to make into a solid fill. So I'm not going to put an image in my frame. I'm just going to fill it in. So I'm going to go over to color. I'm going to choose a style from the image. And then again, I'm going to make sure that I make an outline on here that matches the outline in the first letter. So I'm going to change that stroke weight to 18, like the first. And I'm going to change the color so it matches the C. And now I have 2 of my letters. So once I finish that, I can do that for all of the letters I need on the bulletin board. And then I'm going to press share, download, and I'm going to save this as a PDF print. So I can open it up, print it on cardstock, cut them out, laminate them, and put them on my bulletin board. I hope this video helps so you can make a custom bulletin board for your classroom. Thanks for watching.